Today I shall start exercise 12.2 question number 4. Listen to the question. A chord of circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. Then find the area of the minor segment and next area of the major segment. Okay. Now look, this is the circle, O is the center. OA and OB are the radii of the circle, which is 10 centimeter given. So O is the center of the circle, AB is a chord. And question is find the area of the minor segment. So if we join this line means AB is a chord, so this portion is known as the minor segment, because minor segment is the area between a chord and the arc. Okay, so this is the minor segment. Now OA equal to OB equal to R, that is 10 centimeter, and angle AOB equal to theta is given 90 degree. Okay, so area of the minor segment is area of the sector minus area of the triangle AOB. So what is the area of the sector? That is theta by 360 into pi r square, and area of the triangle is half r square sin theta. So theta is 90 degree given, so 90 by 360 and pi is given 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus half into 10 into 10 into sin 90 degree. Now 90 by 360 is 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. You remove the point and write here 100, because after point there are 2 digits, and half into 10 into 10 into 1, since sin 90 degrees value is 1. Now after calculation, here 314 by 4 minus this 10 cancel here, 0 cancels, minus 5 into 10, because 2 5s are 10. So 157 by 2 minus 50, that is 78.5 minus 50. It is 28.5 centimeter square. It is the area of the minor segment or segment, same thing. And now second question is area of the major sector. Area of the major sector. So angle AOB, look here, angle AOB equal to 90 degree, and this portion, this is the major sector portion, reflects AOB. Reflects AOB equal to 360 minus 90, that is 270 degree. So area of the major sector, this portion is minor sector and this shaded portion is major sector, which is to be determined. Area of the major sector equal to, formula is 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, because in major sector angle must be greater than 180 degree. So it is 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. Now put the values. 360 minus theta is 270 degrees. So 270 by 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. Now after calculation you remove point and write here 100. And 0 cancel. So and after calculation 0 cancel. 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. 3 by 4 into 314. That is 3 into 157 by 2 after dividing 4 and 314. So 471 by 2. That is 235.5 centimeter square. Okay. Now come to the next question, number 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtend an angle of 60 degree at the center. Then find the length of arc. First question. Second question, area of sector. Third question, area of the segment. Now look here. O is the center of the circle. OA OB equal to radii, which is 21 centimeter given. Angle AOB equal to theta, it is 60 degree. AB, this portion is the length of arc which is denoted by L. So I have written here length of arc is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, because length of arc is a portion of a circumference. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r, and sector is a portion of a area of a circle. So it is theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. Now length of arc equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So 60 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. 7 3s are 21. Here is 1 by 6 into 2 into 22 into 3, and 3 2s are 6. So it is 22 centimeter. First question. Second is area of sector. Now look, this is the portion which is area of a sector. Sector means minor sector. So here you know radii are 21 centimeter, theta is 60 degree. So area of sector equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Now put the given values. 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Now 7 3s are 21, 1 6 here will be 1 by 6 because 0 0 cancel, 6 6 are 36. 1 by 6 into 22 into 21 into 3. 3 2 are 6. So it remains 22 into 21 by 2. 2 11 are 22. 11 into 22, that is 231 centimeter square. Answer. Okay. Now third question is area of the segment. Segment means minor segment. So what is the figure of minor segment? Look here. These are two radii and this is the chord. When you AB is a chord and this portion is known as the segment or minor segment, means the region between a chord and a arc. Okay. So area of the minor segment is area of the sector minus area of the triangle AOB. So I have written here the formula. Area of the segment equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle AOB. So theta by 360 into pi r square minus half r square sin theta. So 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 minus half into 21 into 21 into sin 60 degree. Okay. Now after calculation here 231 is coming because in previous question I have taken the value of area of the sector which is 231. So I have written here the values. Minus 441 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Now 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Answer. Okay.